How to pay PNC credit from another bank. Visit the website of the bank where you hold funds to pay your PNC credit card bill. Enter your username and password to log in to your online banking account. Once logged in, locate the bill pay or payment section of your other bank's online banking platform. Look for an option to add a new biller. Select this option. Enter PNC Bank as the recipient name. You will need to enter the payment address for PNC Bank. Enter the payment amount you wish to pay. Choose the date you want the payment to be made. You can schedule a one-time payment or set up recurring payment if the bank offers this option. Review the payment details to ensure accuracy. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.